Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel and to my Christmas DIY series. In my last video, I showed you how to make these really beautiful faux fur gift boxes using some very inexpensive material that I picked up from Joann's Fabric. I had fur left over from that project, so in today's video, I show you what I did with that leftover fur. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Here are the items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I did was cut some of my fabric into long strips. Next, I used hot glue to attach my first strips around my wreath form. Next, I cut my diamond wrap into single strips, and I used hot glue to attach the diamond wrap to my wreath form as well. I'm decorating my wreath with silver metallic ornaments that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I made 2 of these wreaths and I placed them in my downstairs hallway. Here are the items that I used for project number 2. So the first thing I did was use hot glue to cover my Dollar Tree pillowcase with my faux fur. I cut away the excess fabric, rounded my corners, and added additional hot glue as needed. For my zipper side, I hot glued the fabric as close to the edge as possible without getting any hot glue on my zipper. My Dollar Tree was out of white pillow covers, but the white would work much better for this project. I'm embellishing my pillow with these large gems that I picked up from Hobby Lobby on sale some time ago. Here I'm placing down my gems. To create a design, I'll then use a combination of Gorilla Glue and hot glue to attach the gems to the fur. I quickly noticed that the Gorilla Glue was clouding my gems, so I discontinued using it and I finished attaching my gems with hot glue only. There are other adhesives that can be used, like gem tack to attach gemstones to fabric, but this is short-haired fur, so the hot glue worked well. Once I was happy with my gem design, I then filled my pillow with polyfill. Next, I placed my fairy lights inside of my pillow as well. I purchased these lights from Target on clearance last year after Christmas. I arranged the fairy lights around my snowflake and I inserted the battery pack inside of my polyfill. I then added the rest of my polyfill and I added a few more gems to really bling out my pillow. The only thing left to do was zip up my pillow, and here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.